Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, today, this is not something I need to do at all, but this right here is a 2019 Ford Mustang. You see this big thing right here? This big, ugly resonator canister. I'm gonna take this resonator right here out. I'm just gonna cut it right here, and then right here, right there. And I'm just gonna put in 2 pieces of pipe and a little piece on the side like an H-pipe. Okay, this is the factory exhaust system. This is resonator on. So let's go ahead, we're gonna crank it up. See what it sounds like. Right. And here is that resonator. This right here, it's amazing, even though it's straight through, at how much this quietens up a car. All right, then we're going to be putting a piece of pipe right into here and make it sound better. Maybe, I mean, it is a Mustang. Here is a piece of pipe. As you can see, it's just big enough to fit right over that. So I'm going to be welding it all the way around that and sticking it up here for that. Okay, I've just done a quickie, just welded it all the way around it. Okay, that's what it looks like so far. I've got it sitting right there into place. It's bolted at the front. And now I just got to weld it around the back. Now before I weld, I make sure that my tips are aligned where they need to be. Then start my welding. And it is finished. So now let's go ahead and put it on the ground, see what it sounds like.